Administration is an important word that helps describe how things are organized and managed. Today's lesson will explain what administration means in simple English. In this lesson, the goal is to learn what the word means, how it is used, and where it can be found. The ideas will be easy, clear, and fun to understand. Learning new words helps build strong English skills. Each new word has a meaning and a way to use it in real life. This lesson will show how to use the word administration. The word administration looks long, but its meaning is simple. It means the act of organizing and managing things so that they work well. Administration is about organizing, managing, and helping things work smoothly. It makes sure that people and tasks are in the right place at the right time. Think about a school. A school needs order so teachers can teach and students can learn. Books, classes, and activities must be planned carefully. In a school, there are people who organize everything. The principal, office staff, and helpers make sure the school runs well every day. These people plan activities, keep rules, and help students learn. They make sure the school is safe, clean, and ready for learning. This group of people is called the school administration. They organize and manage the school so that everyone can do their job easily. Now think about a business. A company has workers, products, and customers. It also needs good organization to succeed. In a business, administration means managing workers, organizing work, and making plans to reach goals. It helps the company grow. Government also needs administration. Cities and countries must provide services like water, roads, and safety for people. Government administration helps run these services, keeps order, and makes rules that help everyone live together peacefully. The main tasks of administration are to organize, plan, control, and help. These actions make sure everything works as it should. Common roles in administration include manager, administrator, secretary, and director. Each person has a special job to keep things running. People in administration use tools like computers, files, calendars, and phones to do their work quickly and correctly. These tools help keep things working, solve problems, and save time. They make communication and planning easier. For example, when planning a meeting, administration sets the time, invites people, and prepares the place so everything is ready. During the meeting, they write notes, save information, and find data fast when needed. This helps everyone stay organized. There are other words that are similar to administration, such as management, organization, and leadership. Administration means planning and organizing. Management means leading and controlling. Both are important for success. Think about where administration happens. It can be found in schools, workplaces, government offices, and even at home. Every big place needs administration. Without it, things would be messy and confusing. Good administration makes life easier. It supports workers, helps people, and keeps everything running smoothly. To learn more, explore videos, read books, and ask questions about how administration works in different places. Remember the key points. Administration means organizing and managing. It is found in schools, businesses, and governments. It helps things work well. Try a small activity. Match the word to its meaning. Administration means organizing and managing things. Here is a simple sentence: the administration helps the school run smoothly. This shows how the word is used in real life. Try to say the word and think about where it appears around you. It may be in schools, offices, or government buildings. To sum up, administration means organizing and managing. It helps many places work better and keeps life in order. Thank you for learning this new word. Keep practicing and discovering more English words every day.